Imagine if you could find a building construction solution that is fast, cutting-edge, and cost-effective. With modular construction, you can. At BOXX Modular, we're ready to show you the unbelievable capabilities of modular. The age-old challenge of conventional construction is clear. It just takes so long. Traditional structures are built sequentially, so every phase is reliant on the previous step being completed. Modular is changing the rules. Leveraging the concept of off-site construction and assembly line processes, fabrication and site preparation are performed at the same time. With modular, you can occupy your building up to 50% faster than with conventional construction. That's a big deal. There's no time to waste waiting around for your facility to be built. Time is money, and time is limited. School classrooms, law enforcement training facilities, healthcare clinics, military barracks, transportation dispatch offices, and scale houses for mining or environmental facilities are all examples of applications where modular buildings are delivering flexibility and construction speed. BOXX Modular believes our modular processes are the best way to support your mission and operational goals. Your people, your organization, and your success are important to us. So we build temporary and permanent spaces that fit your need rather than a product line you need to fit into. Creating experiences for people within your facilities fundamentally supports the psychological strength and operational success of your organization. Together, we can create an experience that inspires and positively impacts individuals. BOXX Modular is ready to partner with you on your next important temporary or permanent building construction project. We are here to help.